Good morning guys, it's a beautiful day. I thought I would try out making vlogs so that I would have more videos a week. So let's see how this goes. I have right here some coffee and some banana bread that I made before. It is currently 6:15 and I look like a hot mess, but this is how I actually normally look every day because I don't really care about how I look when I go to school. I mean, kind of, I do, but I actually haven't been drinking any coffee lately, but I felt like I really needed it today, especially since yesterday I had like a really big headache. I took some ibuprofen and it did not work, so we're doing coffee today. The plan for today is I'm going to try and get ahead on some homework because class started yesterday, but he gave us all the homework for the rest of the semester, so I want to get ahead. I want to be like pretty productive today, so I'm probably gonna do some laundry. So let me finish my banana bread and I'll get started on my day. So it is currently 6:30 and this is normally the time where I try and plan my day. Like I said, I was hoping to get some laundry done, do some homework, and I want to get the script finished for this week's video. I kind of want to film the video too so that I have more days to edit it instead of editing like the day before that it's supposed to come out. So hopefully I have time to do that too, but we'll see how homework goes. I always use an actual notebook to journal every morning and try and plan my day. So like here, I wanted to get like all this stuff done before class started, and I don't know if I mentioned already, but I have class every morning at 9 a.m. So here's a list of things that I plan on doing today. Definitely laundry. The laundry needs to get done. Like I said, I want to get ahead on that homework. I also want to finish the script for this week, and if I have time, possibly film it so that I'm ahead on that too. I look like a potato. Okay, now I look somewhat presentable. So it's now 7:20 and I'm not trying to leave. Where am I looking? I'm not trying to leave until 8:30. So I'm gonna do a little bit of reading of the textbook and then probably do a little bit of homework too. Try and get ahead. So editing that footage only took like 5 minutes. And since it only took that long, I'm fairly confident I'll have time after class today to film real quick. I even got some of my homework done, which is really cool. I'm so happy that I have time in the mornings now to like do some like productive stuff like this, because before I would go to work at 6 a.m. and work until 11, so all of my productivity would always go towards work. I'm really happy with the new schedule that I have. I'm gonna pack my bag and then head over to class. I'll see you guys later when I come back from school. So it's now 10:30. I just got home and I'm so hungry, but I gotta get laundry started before I do anything else because otherwise it's never gonna get done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do laundry right now and then work on other things while I'm eating my lunch. Filming that video actually took longer than I thought, and the sun was kind of like in and out, so my footage is it's gonna be a struggle to edit, but we're gonna do it. So now I'm gonna throw my second load into the dryer, grab my first load, and I'm not gonna fold just yet. I'm going to dump all the clothes on my bed so that I have to fold it before I go to bed tonight, and I'll try and get some more homework done because that is the #1 priority.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
I'm done with my homework and I just got the laundry out of the dryer, so all I have left is to fold the laundry. I just finished folding and I want to come back to this, what I wrote this morning. I actually got everything done with the exception of editing that one video, which I don't really need to do today, but I think it's great how I literally got everything done. So I'm leaving for class in about 15 minutes and I got everything that I wanted to do done today. I think I owe it to this vlog and me trying to make a good vlog for you guys, because I think it would suck if I made a productive day with me vlog if I didn't end up doing anything that was on my list. I think I might be doing these vlogs weekly now. I really want to thank you guys for spending this day with me. I really had a lot of fun and I hope this inspired you to be productive today. And if it did, let me know all of the things that you got done today. Don't forget to leave a like and comment anything that you want to comment down below, and subscribe because I post new videos every Sunday and quite possibly every Wednesday. We'll see about that. But definitely I will be posting every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on Sunday.